I'm Dr. David Berv, the Chief Experience Officer of the Float Zone. As a sports chiropractor, I'm well aware of the impacts of spring training and the various muscle aches and strains and sprains that accompany an increase in physical training. Many people underestimate the compensations that occur in the body as a result of an injury or an overuse in a completely different area of the body. For instance, you may have twisted your right ankle, but now you notice that your left knee and your left hip and your right shoulder blade area are now tense, but you didn't injure them. Most of the time, when you go in to be treated for a physical injury, it's that area that is usually the focus, not the entire body or the compensations of that injury. The beauty of floating is that it addresses the many compensations of the body. You emerge from a float feeling completely different in your body, having given rest and therapeutic attention to those areas that have been working harder as a result of your initial injury. Float therapy is a great addition to your tool bag to use during months where you are training more and training differently, often even sport specifically, and floating will allow you to train more effectively and more efficiently.